All right, 7th grade, we're going to go through a few example problems to help you with your homework tonight. So for all your problems, we have 3 steps. So step 1, you need to fill out the table if it's not completed for you. Step 2, you're going to figure out the constant of proportionality, which is k. And then step 3, write in an equation in the form y equals k times x, where k is equal to the constant of proportionality. So it's important to remember that x multiplied by k equals y. So if you can figure out what to multiply x by to get y, you have your constant of proportionality. So looking at the first table, it's already filled out for you, and we notice that these are equivalent ratios. So going from 7 to 21, if we multiply by 3, or 9 to 27, 9 times 3 is 27, 10 times 3 is 30, and 12 times 3 is 36. So our constant that we can always use to find our y value is 3. So k equals 3. So for any x value, if we multiply it by 3, we get our y value. In order to write our equation, we simply replace the letter k with 3. Our new equation is y equals 3 times the value of x. Question 2 is a little different. The table is filled out, but this time to get from 4 to 1, we're going to be multiplying by 1/4. So this time it is a fraction. 8 to 2, multiplying by 1/4. 12 to 3, multiplying by 1/4. And 16 to 4, multiplying by 1/4. So we're able to test that it is consistent. And because we multiply all of them by 1/4, that is a constant. So for question 2, k equals 1/4, which means our equation is going to be y equals 1/4 of the value of x. So we filled out our table. We wrote our constant of proportionality as k equals a value, and then we wrote our equation, replacing the value of k with 1/4. Problem 3, we can right away see that we can multiply our x value times 4, but now we have some blanks to fill in. So I know if I have the value 3, if I multiply that by 4, I will get 12. We skip to the last box. If I multiply 7 times 4, I get the value of 28. And for this third column, we have the y value, but not the x value. So I'm going to go backwards. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is going to be dividing by 4. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So for this problem, our constant was always 4. So k is going to be equal to 4, which means our equation is going to be y equals 4 times x. Hope this video helped.